Hello and welcome to another review. Today we're going to be reviewing the YEEZY 500s Utility Black from Boostmaster Lin. These are about $40 and we're going to see what they're like and how they hold up. I'll try and list as many flaws as I can, but we're just going to generally talk about them and look at the quality. So, let's start off with the box. Let me put these to the side. Okay, so on the box, you can see there are 6 different sizes. On the UK version of this, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, there are just 3. However, on the US version, there are 6. I'm not 100% sure of this, however, I believe that is correct. You can see the little man in the corner, he's looking good. All this text is fine, this is all straight enough. A top damaged, but it's alright. And this side's also pretty good. Damaged, but it's alright. The text here, however, should be a little bit thicker. And all of this should just be a little bit thicker. But apart from that, the box is pretty much flawless. But no one really checks boxes anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Let's start off with the actual shoe. So, first thing you can see about the shoe is it's chunky. That is right, it's meant to be like that. That's the whole design of the shoe, but it is very big. I didn't think the shoe was going to be this big, actually, in hand. And it is. Now, the overall shoe of the shape is right. It doesn't have a foot in it right now, obviously. But once it's got something in it, as you can see, it is the right shape. I've had this shoe now for a few months, and I've worn it loads. And it's held up really well. You can see how dirty it is. I've scuffed it loads, but it's actually holding up really well. It's really comfy. This mesh material is really nice, and the sole, it's called the Ortholite, yeah, you can see in there, the Ortholite sole, insole is really nice, and this sole is also a little bit, you can kind of squidge it a little bit, and this is really soft too, so overall it's a really, really comfy shoe. And I wasn't expecting it to be. You can see the Adidas on the side there. It's a little bit messed up. Oh, there you go. It's not perfect, but it's meant to be slightly slanted. If I show you the tag inside, you can see that. This is mainly good. It's just a bit low quality in general. You can't really see the Adidas. It's all just a bit low quality, but no one's really going to check the inside of the shoe. It does have working 3M along here. That works like the retail version. So it's quite good in that sense that it has the features. The biggest flaw is that the colour is slightly off. It's more greyy. You can't tell this unless it is next to a pair of retail, but the colour is slightly off. This kind of suede material here, but it's really, really hard to tell, and they are close. Durability issue wise, it holds up well, as you can see, but it does scuff. It doesn't fray, but it just gets a little bit messy, you could say. General creasing, but I mean I've beaten these pretty badly, and they've held up well. So if I look at the other shoe, you can see it's pretty much the same. 3M works. You can see the Adidas there. Inside there. There's a big scuff here. This came off really quickly, and I don't know how. I must have kind of scraped it. I have no idea how that happened, if I'm honest. You could almost fix that just with some Sharpie or paint, and you wouldn't notice it at all. But this shoe's definitely kind of been beaten more. You can see all this material started to look pretty ropey. But no one really legit checks these shoes, so you could easily get away with them being fake. And for $40, from Boostmaster Lin, it's a solid shoe. Lin masters these, and yeah, it's a solid shoe. You can wear this shoe with pretty much anything, and I think it looks really good. So yeah, you can see the sole of this one. There, it's just got bits of dirt on. I've worn these loads. So yeah, now I'm going to go to an on-foot shot, and you can have a look at them there. You can see the shoes here. On foot, they're really comfy and fun. I think they look really good. Yeah, the Ortholite sole is actually really, really nice. And these shoes kind of have a bounce to them. The sole, I think, looks really good. And honestly, I would rate these shoes 10 out of 10. For the price, the durability, how they go with every outfit. No one legit checks them either. So, these are a must-have in my opinion. They are great. The laces aren't too long. They're long, but you can double knot them or do really whatever with them. You could wear these shoes for a long time and they wouldn't be uncomfortable. The durability on them is great, and overall, they are a great shoe. I really recommend buying this shoe if you're considering it. So yeah. In conclusion, great shoe. If you've got $40 and want a pair of any Yeezys really, I would say go for these. But it is obviously a very particular style. Some people like them, some people don't. So if you're a 500 fan, these are the shoe for you.